In this connection, there is Sumama's Hadith, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "It is not befitting to any prophet that he should make captive to infidels." Surah Anfal, verse 67. In this connection, Hazrat Miswar has reported from the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports, 8 people of Ukul tribe visited the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, finding the climate of Madinah Munawwara unsuitable. They submitted, "O Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, grant us some camels." He Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "I cannot do so for you, but you should go to the camels in the pasture." They went there and relied and became sturdy after drinking the urine and milk of the camels. Then they slew the cattlemen, drove the cattle away, and returned to the infidelity after embracing Islam. When the complaint was made to the Prophet ﷺ, he dispatched a few men in their pursuit, who arrested them and fetched them before the delight. So their hands and feet were cut off. Later it was commanded to warm the needles and pass them through their eyes. Thereafter they were thrown in a jungle. There they kept on yelling for water, but could not drink water till their death. Hazrat Abu Qilaba radiyallahu anhu says, they committed murder, theft, and fought against Allah Almighty and His Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and tried to create mischief on the earth. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3018.